Texas Redfish Hunter TV.
Alright guys, so today we're in Moses Lake. It's a little windier than I'd like it to be. It's about 8 right now. It's supposed to pick up to about 12 to 15, so probably going to be a short day here. We're going to see if we can't get some reds out of this little cut. See what happens. There's one already. I got one already. Little one, but he's red.
So as you could tell, it was extremely windy. By the time I took this, when we were leaving, the winds were blowing over 20 miles an hour. And it's hard to tell, but there's 2-foot rollers rolling through the open bay. So the reason I chose the Moses Lake side is because it was blown flat. So this was kind of wind protected. So it still was really windy on this side, but it was flat enough that you could kayak back there with no problems. You weren't going to get blown around, you weren't going to get tipped over. It was definitely a lot better than the 2-foot rollers on the other side of that floodgate. So I not only chose Moses Lake because it was windy, but I also chose it because Texas Parks and Wildlife on their fishing report said that Moses Lake had been really good for redfish using live shrimp. So I definitely had to give it a try. I'm using a small weight swivel 20-pound fluorocarbon leader to either a treble hook or a small circle hook. And it's working for these rat reds. Hopefully we can pull something bigger out here pretty soon. There's some nice fish.
Oh wow.
Holy shit. That's the fish we've been looking for.
So this was pretty horrible. The red made a run at me and ran under my anchor rope, and I had it tied off because of the wind. I usually have it clipped on so I could just unclip really quick, but I had it tied off. So I had to actually get up, go over there, and get the rod underneath the anchor rope while he was still pulling drag.
I don't know. He's got some shoulders on him. Not yet. Oh yeah, he's big. Probably he's slot. Not quite ready yet. Not quite ready yet.
You know, every time I've come to this spot in Moses Lake, I've done really good on flounder also, and today was no different. It wasn't only the redfish that were biting.
Bigger than mine? Oh, mine was bigger.
No, he wasn't.
Yes, he was.
He looked a lot bigger than one.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god. Your iron's on, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, man. I'm good. I'm catching up. I just don't want him to hit my other line. Oh,
That's a big ass. It's a really big red.
Bye.
Yeah, he's a bull. That's 30.
Woo.
Don't wrestle him. He's close now. Don't wrestle him.
Man, my heart's running like crazy.
Ready?
Yeah, I have it.
He's just gonna do his thing.
Oh, he's done?
He'll let you know he's done. I'll get your neck. He's actually in the slot. Maybe. He might be a little too big. He's big though. Yeah, he's big.
Oh man, reeled it. I reeled too much, didn't I?
Yeah, you did, but just try to get your head out there.
I won't be able to do it
Leave
again.
him, leave him, leave him. He's hooked
Yeah.
pretty good.
Yes!
Yeah, he's like 30 plus. I'm all over your other line and stuff. That's a big fish!
Let me put it down and I'll give you more slack.
You gotta measure him and then we'll
Yeah.
show him to your camera and then we'll get some pictures with cell phone.
You got him? You think?
He's a little too big for me to grab him like this, but
It's your night.
you got him?
No.
Well, grab, take the fish grip, like put it through your wrist.
I can do it though.
Got him? Alright, show me.
Oh, I can't even hold him like that last
Well, just
one.
put him down over here and then like re-grip him. Re-grip the fish grip and everything.
Okay, look. Holy cow, I don't even know if my thing can...
You're good.
Dang.
So that's going to be it for this episode of Texas Redfish Hunter TV from Moses Lake. Did pretty well for a windy day. Caught a couple reds, caught a couple flounder. So if you enjoyed the video and you're new around here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That'd be much appreciated. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or email me at redhuntertx@gmail.com. I'll answer any questions that you guys have. Also, be sure to like us on Instagram at Texas Redfish Hunter and like us on Facebook by searching Texas Redfish Hunter TV. So I do apologize for all the wind noise experienced in this video. I have received a couple comments and emails of a fix to this wind noise problem, so I'll have that implemented before the next time I head out, and we'll see if it works. I'd also like to give a quick shout out to my new network, which is the Hooked Up Network. I will leave a link in the description to the website so you guys can check them out. If you'd like to see other kayak fishing videos from my channel, go ahead and hit the kayak fishing link. If you want to see the kayaks that I use and me review them, hit that kayak reviews link. Also, as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for continued fishing content. Bull red season is coming up, so you guys are not going to want to miss what I have in store. I'll see you guys next time.